Hey guys, Cosmic CTF here, and welcome to a brand new video where today I have been mining and we are back with another episode of, I have no fucking clue what I decided to call this series. I think it's like the Civilization Project or something like that. But yeah, welcome back to another episode. It is good to be back. I think I'm going to be doing these every week, maybe twice, don't know, because there is Feed the Beast as well. Which is obviously going to take priority because it is the main series I'm doing. What is this cow doing? Kill him. Let's just throw in and make some a furnace. Sorry. Throw the furnace down there. Have we got any coal? Throw the iron in there. Right, we need to go and grab some coal. That's going to be number one priority. Give me more saplings, always well. Oh, a battle. 2 battles. We're getting loads of saplings. Jesus. "12 saplings. One can go there. One there. One there. One there. One there. One there. One can go over here. Let's kill the piggo. After we plant a sapling, of course. There we go. We got his insides as food. Right. I've always thought this when I was like younger playing Minecraft. Do you reckon anybody's ever tried to do a vegan let's play of Minecraft, like where they just don't kill any animals? Because if they did, they're a fucking idiot. Right. We're gonna actually have to go gather some sand. Let's make a stone shovel. Didn't fucking mean to do that. Head to the desert, where we can probably take the torches off our offhand. Let's gather some chicken while we're here. Some good old tasty chicken. Cock-a-doodle-doo, it's time for chicken. Cock-a-doodle-doo. That's Clucking-Bell, you know, the GTA meme. Oh yeah, that's how we got here, by the way, guys, if you're interested. I did end up making a boat. I just never showed it because I didn't think it was that important to us. We could have like a little brook going through the house. That could be pretty cool. But we did come here to gather sand, and that's what we shall do. Just clear out a coastline. Stick. Good if you could give your dog stick. Wait, there's bees in this update, isn't there? I remember seeing all this stuff. Don't know what the hell that was about. I'll be honest with you. Right, how many sand? 49. Plenty of sand. And I want to avoid that pillager tower because we don't really want to repeat, do we, of the last few episodes. Kill that chicken. If you didn't watch last episode, we got attacked basically like 15 times by these guys, and they're lethal. They are genuinely lethal. Right, here we are back home. We didn't have any coal. Amazing. Let's back down into the mine. Looks like throwing some torches into the offhand. Looks like we're heading down into the mines. We don't really need that much stone anymore. There is a cave near the pillager tower, but I don't know if I want to risk it. There could be some decent stuff down there, but I'm not sure. Could just go in and it's a dead end and we get absolutely attacked by pillagers. we're gonna have to risk it. I can't be bothered just mining for absolutely hours. We're just gonna have to run for it. Maybe kill a few pillagers. Fuck me, this is gonna be a risk. I hope it's a lot closer. There it is. Right, can we sneak past these guys? There is a lot of them. Oh, there is coal down here. I'm just hoping they haven't noticed us. And if so, we're gonna have to make an entrance really close to the house. Because the closer an entrance we make, we don't have to make this risk. But I suppose soon we might not even have to. It might not even matter because we might have killed the pillagers already. Right, let's head this way. Oh wow! Watch us find diamonds just straight away. Gonna have to come up with a safer way. Right, we're here. Right, that's him sorted. Oh, more coal. There is a lot of coal down here. The risk really was worth it. Oh, iron up there as well. Iron here, iron everywhere. Oh, creeper. There we go, he blew up. He didn't actually blow that much up, did he? Okay, pickaxe is dead. We're gonna have to head up. There's coal in the ceiling there. See, I am observant. Oh, it is turning night. I am conscious of that. We need an easy way. Any pillagers about? Didn't need to do that. Place down the dirt. Yeah, I don't think they can actually see us. Didn't mean to do that. Right, torch there, torch there. Now let's head back to the house. Well. Right, he's dead. We're gonna have to get a roof on this thing soon. Sooner rather than later, I should say. Because otherwise, it's not gonna end well. For anyone. Right. This should be able to get some iron tools. On the go. Tools on the go. There we go. We are getting somewhere at least. I would like to find another kind of like type of tree about. Let's actually slap this under the window. Then have our bed here for now. Actually no, we could put it in the spot we're actually going to have it. So this is going to be like a wall here. There is, and then in here we're going to have and I want a nice cozy bedroom. So like, actually, let's just cut through this wall. cozier. This looks pretty cool. I like this. There, we got some books. Wheat. More wheat. Raw mutton. We should really get to work on cooking up some food. I like some decent food. Have any of these trees actually grown yet? No, they haven't, which is a little bit disappointing, but we can cut down this tree and just strip it of everything it's got. Because I hate these big trees. They're so damn annoying. We've easily got a stack out of this, I think. Hi, sheep. Is it dying? Yeah, it is. How much wood? 22. So when you get one, you get 4. So 22 times 4. So 2 times 4 will be 8. 88. So yeah, we have got over a stack with that. And yes, we should probably store some more crap in here at the moment, this moment in time. Big chest going. We could have like a window around here. I don't know. Just store some of the crap we have. This can get us a lot of places. Throw in a second chest here. Right, we're getting somewhere. We really are. I'm gonna convert this back into wheat. So we have loads of food ready to go. Iron. Let's actually throw in the sand so we can get some windows on the way. I do want to have a window here, and maybe here. Wait, is this like flat bang in the middle? Yeah, this here. This is looking like a good window space. Right, let's go check on these saplings they've probably dropped from this tree. Fucking zombie flesh just despawns right in front of my eyes. We're planting loads of trees, boys. Let's dig up this poppy. Make it into some nice red dye, and let's dye our bed to get a nice classic colour. Right, bed, red. There we go. Nice, 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 nice. Right, we have glass. There we go. One pane there, two there, two there. And I'm gonna have like this entire row, kinda just filled with glass, so the sun can come in the morning, even though it won't be doing that because it's Minecraft and the sun doesn't shine through glass at least. We just have to kind of wait for these trees to grow. Wait, we have bones, don't we? Yeah, we should have bones in the chest. Yes, we do. We can make some bone meal. No, actually, let's halve it, make this into bone meal, and the bones can go back. Because we might need those at a later date if we find a dog. Right, so let's get these trees on the way. There we go, tree on the way. Second tree on the way. We need food. Hey, one grew right in front of our eyes. There we go, trees are coming to life. That tree should grow soon. Yeah, we can have like a river sort of thing. Like coming around to the house. Bloody hell, these apples. Right. We should. Let's grab some of the bread. Let's make a bit more bread. Trying to sort this thing out because honestly disorganized chests annoy me. That's me. Let's take the sand out of that, throw it in there, grab some iron, and let's make some iron tools. Do we have any sticks? Yeah, we do. We have loads of sticks and actually quite a bit of wood. I forgot about that. So now we can just. Why did we put the iron horse armor? That was a stupid idea. Glass can go in here. Right now, let's just convert this 8 wood into sticks for now. It's probably the best idea. Right, iron pickaxe and an iron sword. No. And let's make the rest into armor because we don't really need the others. So we can make a helmet and a chest plate. There we go. Starting to get somewhere, you know. Actually, we forgot to get rid of this, didn't we? Get building. Because we want it 3 blocks high in here. And I want like sort of a different colour roof. Morning, let's go and search for some more, like some good coloured wood. Yeah, I've just been, like, while I've been recording these videos, I've been drinking a, what is it, a J2O Spritz? Never had these before, and they're pretty good, I will say that. Right, let's avoid the pillagers. I can see them. Oh, there's a horse. We could get a horse at some point. I just really can't be bothered with that right now. And I want to get some birch wood because oh yes, speak of the devil, right is there, right on cue. we encounter some ores as well, I'll grab them. What the hell is this? Hello. We have this bread on us. Let's get this bread. Because at the moment we're always needing more coal, so may as well grab it. Ah, but there's like a whole bunch of stuff here. We are slowly getting ready to start getting rid of the pillagers. Because I want to make that like a town hall, as I said. Like a, I don't know, just like a central piece that we can build the village around on. Because the more, we're going to need a lot of resources for this thing. And obviously I want to go like kill the Ender Dragons, stuff like that in this series. Oh my god, what the hell happened there? Well, have we got any? Let's throw them in our half hand one sec. Fucking hell, why is it being so gay? It is going night, I'm thinking. So it's going to get a bit darker. No, actually it's not. That's what I'm surprised about. Right, let's grab this birchwood tree. Because birch will be a nice contrast to the oak that we have. The fucking pillagers are over there. Grab this chicken. Grab some beef while we're here. We can grab actually a good amount of resources from this area. Squidloodly. Did he drop his beef down here? Squid's killed himself. Which is a little bit confusing, but you know. Because really all we need is a good few birch saplings. Like this one. This one. This one. Don't say this whole tree is not going to give me one sapling. And we're out of wood. Is this more birch down here? No, this is oak. We have 12 birchwood. It's just I kind of need like a good, decent supply of it, really. There you go, 56 birchwood. Right, let's just throw down a crafting table, and we can make a fresh new pickaxe. I mean axe. We're just gonna have to keep nipping back really and seeing where all the progress on the saplings is. I'm just kind of conscious I'm gonna get raped by pillagers at any moment. Right, let's go up here. Any saplings for me? No. Kill this cow, get his insides. Right, let's head over here. Where was the birch tree? It was like there, wasn't it? Yeah, there it is. This is a little bit annoying. Ah, yes, a birch sapling at last. Oh, it's kind of ingrown into this tree. There we go, that's plenty, I'm thinking. So far, anyway, we can always come back for more. Let's actually just go and check how our other tree's doing. Kill this salmon. I'm really enjoying this series actually at the moment. Like, it's just good to have a vanilla series as well as like a modded Let's Play, which is obviously Feed the Beast. We got Feed the Beast, and then I think this is Project Town? Project Civilization? The Civilization Project, I think I called it. No, the Settlement Project, that's what I called it. Ah yes, let's avoid the pillagers. Kill this chicken. Sorry, mate. I'm gonna have so much food just from this entire plain. We've not been noticed by the pillagers. What the hell is that? Why? Oh my god, run! We're being attacked. We are under attack. Okay, he's giving up. Good. Right, I'm gonna just jump up on here because I want it so it kind of. Oh, fuck off. So it kind of goes like this, and then it's gonna have like a little bit coming off it, I guess. Birchwood. There we go. It isn't the biggest, I will say that, because this is only our start house. It's gonna get even bigger. Okay, so we're gonna have to convert the rest of these into birchwood stairs. And I might have like logs going across it, I don't know. Could be pretty good. Let's just birch stairs. Oh yeah, we do have coal which I can put in the furnace. And have I got dirt on me? Go. We've got some decent amount of dirt to get up onto the roof. So what I'm gonna do is just do this part first. Yeah, this is gonna need slabs instead of stairs. Yeah, and it's looking fairly decent. I'm not too sure. We're gonna need more birch planting, obviously. Let's just run in. Run inside real quick. It is looking pretty decent in here because of all the light levels and stuff. We got oak on us. Yep. This bit's fully inside at the moment. bit going in here, which is going to lead to the snug room / bedroom. Right, we should really kill some skeletons, to be fair. We need to get a house finished. We need to do all sorts, because we need to get these bird things going. So much to do. And so very little time. But yeah, I am going to end out today's video here. If you did enjoy, please do the like and subscribe. And I'll see you all in the next one.